Train coming down the track, train coming down the track, my track. Train coming down the track, train coming down my track, my track. Hey guys, welcome back to another train episode. Today we have another train to do. So let's begin. First off, we'll be beginning with train 1478 being the SF train, Santa Fe 3501, Pacific 207, and Southern Pacific 1655. Entering all the cars, we have here we have a shuttle tank, Golden West Service, CNI M 16659, and that Golden West Service was 74114. Norfolk and Western 56047. For all box cars, warning. Here's the warning sign. Close and lock door before moving car. Gravel car, and that's it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take these, or take Santa Fe to the 501 to where the junction is, or we'll take the rest of them where they need to be. So here we go. Alright, we're on the side being used to. Unfortunately, the people are sleeping in Santa Fe because they're not running it. There's a car between them. Oh. They're starting to get moving. Oh, because they haven't delivered it. So, they're saying how they're going to get all cars delivered on time. Because one of the trains are not running. Just Santa Fe. Good. Let's get a little noise going. Hold on. I'm taking all diagnostic. So that's why. Sadly, they had to remove the shell tanker. They put Santa Fe where being SF train is. So now they're putting the tanker behind Santa Fe. And why are they putting that shell tanker there? Because Santa Fe has no diesel. They're refilling it. All train rails are on the track. They all make and they all have good connection. Perfect. They got a cold start right now. Not a good day when they got a cold start right now. This is not good. Santa Fe has a cold start, meaning stuff just started right now. Alright, now Santa Fe just started up. There you go. We're trying to get a lot of power here. Uh-oh. After a failed attempt, they had to do something here. So, after the failed attempt, now they'll be putting Santa Fe with another train to take it back. Santa Fe 3415 just took Santa Fe 3501 back. Well, BSF 1478 cannot do it, so they decided to add a steam train to the train to make it do its delivery. After a good connection, they decide now that BSF 1478 is now going to be adding more power, so because Music 4432 is an old steam train. The second steam train on railway. And the first one was from Victoria, so, yep. So now they're getting it ready to start heading out on the way. This is for 4432. Roger, this is 1478. To control tower, we're ready to route. Roger that, 4432, start up. And tower started. 1478, start. Comes out. This is 1478. We are now starting the run. Alright, you guys are now heading out. Thank you. Uh-oh. The train seems not to start running. It's slowly getting there to the point they might have to change it. What BSF 1470 cannot do it alone. All those are on the track. They cannot have another failed attempt of this. They're going to have to make this delivery. And unfortunately, they had an issue. But they had to fix it. Because for some reason, the train is really waggling. The train was supposed to be on the right now, they got that fixed. Time to see if they can get the power moving. Problem occurred. You had to shut off the power. Now, two trains cannot run no more. They had to decouple it. So now, Union Pacific 4432 has a big derail. After that problem had issued, BSF 1478 will be known as Strong Powerful Train. But oh, yep. Alright guys, I don't know what happened, but fortunately I cannot do no more YouTube videos of this. the train is not going nowhere, so that's staying still. So I don't know what the problem with this train layout is, but we're gonna have to figure out that. So no more train videos of this. So yep. I was gonna say peace.